everyone! What a lovely day, isn't it, Shay?
Yes it is, Dominique.
What was that?
I don't know.
I think that was an earthquake.
An earthquake?
Yeah, you don't know what an earthquake is or how it happens?
No, not really.
Well, an earthquake is a sudden and violent shake of the ground, sometimes causing great destruction. And the plates that make the biggest earthquakes in the San Andreas Fault, because it is capable of a magnitude of 8.1.
Oh, I see. But we didn't do anything. What if another one?
We could do the drills.
What drills?
Well, some of the drills are if you're inside, you could go underneath the table and cover your neck so no rocks or anything goes on your head.
Oh, alright. Well, next time, we'll be ready for it.
We will.
Dominique was interviewing some students. We interviewed an expert of earthquakes. What is the most devastating earthquake that has happened?
There are many devastating earthquakes. I couldn't say that one is worse than some of the others. Some of the worst ones are the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. Obviously, the earthquake that hit Haiti in 2010. The earthquake that hit Sumatra in 2004. Those are some of the worst.
Next question. What is a seismograph and how does it work?
Well, a seismograph is what detects earthquakes, and they're very sensitive mechanisms that detect displacement of the ground movement. The old seismographs used springs with a weight attached to them, so when the ground would shake, the wave would bounce up and down, and there would be a pen attached to that, and it would make what you see as a seismograph display.
Next question. What is the Richter magnitude scale and how does that work?
Well, the Richter magnitude scale is a scale that we use to classify the energy released by earthquakes. And it's what's called a logarithmic scale. So a magnitude 4 plus 1 does not equal a magnitude 5. In fact, a magnitude 5 is 100 times more powerful than a magnitude 4. So each time you go up a number, it's 100 times more powerful.
The final question
Is it important to pack stuff in case of an earthquake? And what do you pack?
Well, you should have depends where you live. Where are you at?
I live in Los Angeles, California.
Oh, well, you should definitely be prepared for earthquakes. Different people need different stuff. People who are diabetic need medicines and food to take care of that problem. If there's an earthquake, you never know how long it can be before you could get by. It could be days or it could be even weeks. So you should definitely have water, any sort of medicines that you might need, food, and you may not be able to cook. So you need food that you can eat without cooking.
Thank you for answering our questions.
You're welcome.
Can I ask you guys a question? Oh,
Yeah, sure.
Did you guys feel the earthquake earlier today?
Oh my God, I almost pee myself.
How did you feel about it?
Scared that people would fall on top of me?
a little bit scary. People were screaming, but super dramatic.
The roof might fall on me.
Protect yourself.
Well,
We went under the desk.
Yeah.
And then
Under
we
like a
covered
table, and then I was just like screaming. And then
He was screaming, but I was like a little bit calmer, and I went under the desk and I actually followed the drills.
Thank you for letting me interview you guys.
alright. So yeah, what direction is
So now you know that if there's an earthquake, you do not just sit there and question the feeling of the earthquake like this class is doing. Instead, when you feel the motion of the earthquake, do this instead. Get under the table and cover your neck as fast as possible. If you don't, you will die like the girl in the back of the classroom did with the gray sweater. Rest in peace, girl with the gray sweater.